Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to visit the corner takeout again. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot, Wonton Soup. Let's get to the ingredients. White pepper, salt, sesame oil, low sodium soy sauce, unsalted chicken stock, granulated sugar, carrots, garlic, fresh ginger, diced scallions, shiitake mushrooms, wonton wrappers. You can buy this from any Asian store. Bok choy, ground pork, and also Chinese wine. So now let's assemble the filling for the wonton. We have the ground pork here. Now I'm going to add a little salt, white pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, the scallions, also known as green onions, the white sugar, the Chinese wine, fresh ginger, we grate this up, as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we mix this up. We mix it till it comes like a paste. Smells so good. Okay, you see? Now we're going to cover this up and come back and make the soup. Now let's make the soup. I have a large stock pot here. I'm going to turn it on medium high, and I'm going to add some water, the chicken broth, a little salt, white pepper, and I have these sliced up ginger, garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, the green onions, the carrots, and the shiitake mushrooms. We're going to add the bok choy after it comes to a boil. Going to cover it up and let it come to a boil. Now we're going to assemble the wonton. I have some wonton wrappers here, and I wet some paper towel and put it on top of it. That way, it'll keep it from getting dry. So we take the wonton wrapper. I have some water here, and we're going to run some water over the edges of the wonton wrapper. Take a little bit of the filling and put it in it, but you don't want to put it in too much of it because it'll come out. Then we're going to do a simple fold. We're going to fold it into a triangle and make it into pouches. Then we squeeze it and we put this one down. Take another one. Take some water with your finger, run it along the edges. Take some filling, put it in the middle, and we close it up. Let me do one more for you, then I'll continue to finish them up. See? Here you have it, the finished wontons. Now, you can make this in three other ways to wrap them, but I made the pouches because they're very easy and simple to do for beginners. Now, we're going to put the bok choy into the soup now. We're going to stir this up. And we're going to let the wonton jump in the pot. Now, how do you know when they're done? When the wontons float up to the top in the soup. Now let's check and see if the wontons are ready. Awesome. Yes, they are. They floated to the top. So it's time to serve them now. Here you have it, wonton soup. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.